Eric, now I don't want you to write. I want you to look and listen. Kai, do you know what is a cowboy?
I know.
我听不懂。 Sometimes the cowboys will play this game. Look, sometimes the cowboys will play this game. Like this. I want to fight you. Say, I want to fight you too. Okay. And then they will stand like this, and they have a gun, remember? And then if I say go, you walk. Right? If I say go, you can walk and then turn around. Okay? 1, 2, 3, turn around. 1, 2. Kai must also do that. 1, 2. No. Kai, you also walk. 1, 2, 3, and turn around. Go. No. Then I show you. Like this. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Okay? Let's quickly try one more time. Are you ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Okay. We are going to play. We are going to play a game like this. But we are going to use the small flashcards. Okay? Like this. My name is Nico. I can choose green. I can choose UE, U, or OO, U, or EW, U. And I write EW. But you don't know. You don't know. And then I ask Jessica. Jessica must choose blue. She must write bleu or club or glove. B, R, M, N, F, or D. But I don't know which one. Maybe Jessica will write this. Now, Jessica, come here. Slilu is example. Eric, you don't know, you don't listen, you won't know. Now, I give you this one. You are Jessica, right? But I don't know. Jessica wrote, wait a minute. Jessica wrote fleur. I don't know. I didn't see. And I wrote you, but you don't know. Now we're gonna stand like this. Stand behind me. Closer. Closer. Okay. And then I say 1, 2, 3, and then Jessica, look. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, and you turn around. I turn around. I look. You look, and I say, you flew. But I am number 1. Jessica,
I
Okay. Are you ready? Erase. So you have to take blue. I have to take green. Okay, I don't know and you don't know. Please put away the marker. Okay, now, are you ready? Closer to me. Don't touch my buttons, okay? And then 1, 2, 3, go, like that. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go! Fool! Who's number 1? Oh! Who says Nico? Hands up. My boys. Who says Jessica? Oh, girls. This is not gender dance. It's just game, okay? Just how to say. So this one we will say fa, oo, foo. But it's not really word. Just play a game, okay? Yeah, you can sit down. Who wants to try? Wilson, come here.